After talking about the glycolysis in the previous way, today we are going to learn the Krebs cycle and the ETC cycle. ETC chain reaction. So, what is Krebs cycle? In this, the name suggests it all. It is a cyclic chain reaction. So, what happens in this chain reaction? As we learned in the previous video, that in the and after in that part in the mitochondria, the Krebs cycle occurs. So, how does this Krebs cycle occurs? Whenever the acetyl part of the acetyl coenzyme A that we are obtained after the oxidation of the pyruvic acid, that acetyl coenzyme A comes in the mitochondria, and after coming into the mitochondria it begins to run a tricarboxylic cycle, begins to run on this acetyl coenzyme, and it is also known as tricarboxylic cycle as well, chain reaction as well. So after the tricarboxylic acid cycle or TCA cycle runs on this acetyl part, then it is a part of oxidation. So oxidation occurs, and after that oxidation occurs, the molecules of ATP and the molecule of NADH2, FADH2, water, that is H2O, and CO2 are obtained. These are the obtained ones after the process of Krebs cycle. But what is NADH2 and FADH2? So these are the two, dinucleotide and nucleotide, just so you understand. So this is the thing. And the NADH2 and FADH2 obtained in the Krebs cycle goes into the, it stays into the mitochondria. And the Krebs cycle and the ETC chain reaction, that is electron transfer chain reaction, it both occurs in the mitochondria, and oxygen is highly required here. Now what happens over here is that whenever these processes occur, then in the ETC the organisms, I mean the various NADH2 and FADH2, these are broken down. How are they broken down? They are broken down into molecules of ATP, and it is adenosine triphosphate, right? So the ATP is obtained from them. One molecule of NADH2 gives 3 molecules of ATP, and 1 molecule of FADH2 gives 2 molecules of ATP. But the shocking part is that the Krebs cycle occurs 3 times. Yeah, it occurs 3 times. It's not only one single process, it occurs many times. So lots of NADH2 are obtained from that. Now in all the combined NADH2 and ATP, 36 molecules combined, and from 1 gram of 1 molecules of glucose, 36 molecules of ATP could be obtained. So this is the Krebs cycle, glycolysis, and the ETC transfer chain reaction. Now the byproducts are also obtained here. The byproducts are in the form of CO2 and H2O. H2O fills up the water of our cell, and CO2 is what we exhale out. So that's why the cellular and the body level respiration are connected to each other. They are connected because if these two were not connected, the byproduct of CO2 could not get out, and the O2 that is required for the Krebs cycle and for the ETC transfer chain reaction, it would be not obtained. So it is very essential. I hope you understand. Thank you.